Hello everyone and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and today I will be showing you that how you can choose features provided in your right click. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have added a section with some elements. So if I right click on my section, you can see there are some features. First feature is to insert a column. As you can see, there is only one column right now. So if I click on insert column, you can see another column has been added. Next feature is save as template. You can click on it and save your section as a template from here. Let's type a name and hit OK, and now your section has been saved as a template. Another great feature is to duplicate. Click on duplicate and your section has been duplicated. Next feature is to copy. You can also copy your section. Let's scroll down and paste it here. Right click and hit paste, and you can see my section has been pasted. You can also copy and paste the styles of your section. To paste the styles, you can use this button, and to clear the styles, you can hit this button. Let's clear the style, and you can see the style has been cleared. Next feature is to remove a section. If you click on this remove section button, you will notice my section has been removed. If I right click on this text element, you can see I can also duplicate this text element. Click on duplicate and you can see my text has been duplicated. You can also remove your heading by remove heading button. You can also copy your heading and paste it somewhere else, and you can see my heading has been pasted here. You can also copy the styles of your heading. So if I copy the styles of this heading and paste them over here, you will notice the style has been pasted over my other heading. You can also use your right click feature to remove a row or column. So let's click on remove row, and you can see the row has been removed. So that's how you can use right click features to work more efficiently and save time. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.